I am Darlene Cañete.
I am Megan K. R. Bahente.
I am Marjorie A. Makira.
Today's video lecture is about the Philippines AIDS Prevention and Control Act of the Philippines.
Let's talk about HIV first. What is HIV?
HIV.
HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, is a virus that attacks the body immune system. If HIV is not treated, it can lead to AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome.
HIV came from
HIV.
HIV infection in humans came from a type of chimpanzee in Central Africa. Studies that HIV may have jumped from the chimpanzee humans as far back as the late 1800s.
Are there symptoms?
For many years, most people have flu-like symptoms within 2 to 4 weeks. After the infection, symptoms may last few days or several weeks. Having these symptoms alone doesn't mean you have a HIV. Other illnesses can cause several symptoms.
How HIV pass from one person to another?
Most people get HIV through anal or vaginal sex or sharing needle, syringes, or other drug injection equipment, for example, cookers, but there are powerful tools to help prevent HIV transmission.
to help a person living with HIV. First, talk, listen,
Act in ways that protect themselves from HIV infection, transmission, and decrease the socio-economic impact of HIV. This is the purpose of the Philippine National AIDS Council, a policy-making body mandated by law of oversees a comprehensive and integrated HIV or AIDS prevention and control program.